We're at the Framingham History Center, and these birds were all stuffed in Brazil. Framingham has had a long tradition with Brazil. They went to Brazil to get rubber for a rubber factory, and these birds were stuffed down there. The museum currently has no legend for all of the birds that are in this case, and they asked Miranda if she could help out, and they presented her. So Miranda, I'd like you to Libby, tell her which birds are which, and you draw an arrow.
Okay.
And write them down. So, here, so you can stand over here.
I'll do the writing.
Okay, so start with whatever bird you want.
Kids again, everybody's getting on the bus. That bird is not framing.
What's the name of this bird?
It's called a white-winged crow.
And is that from Framingham or is that from Brazil?
We don't need to know.
From Framingham.
White-winged crow. So I'll put an F, Framingham.
Okay.
Okay.
That is definitely from Brazil. And that's called a red-tailed.
This is sort of upside down.
Yeah, that guy.
Red-tailed.
Hummingbird. Of course, that one bill proves that that's
And that's from Brazil. Yes, okay.
And that is from Brazil.
Chicken, right?
Yeah, toucan.
Next.
And I believe that big guy up there, big guy. That one?
Mm-hmm. What's that?
A red blackbird.
A red-throated blackbird. Is that from Framingham or Brazil?
Birmingham.
And behind you is the curator. This is Dana. This is Miranda.
Hi, Miranda. Where did you learn all this about so many birds?
It's a common animal. It's a visual guide to the animal.
Excellent. Well, we're so glad you came and you're taking the time to identify some of these birds. Because we don't know what they all are. We've never had anyone go through and identify them. So it's a big help. Thank you very much.
She put all of these together. She's wonderful putting exhibits together. She's a great artist. This is my son, Tom.
John, so good to meet you.
Thank you so much.
It's such a pleasure to work with her. She's what a resource. I probably don't have to tell you.
And it's great that Miranda could, take part of the East Coast history.
She could work in with the third grade tour. It's excellent.
Yeah, it means a lot to us, and she's excited to go back and talk about Framingham history, when she returns to California.
Yes, terrific. Yeah. So is she taking time off of school or is
Yes,
this vacation?
yes. Her vacation was a couple weeks ago, so she has to take some time off, but we're working on her schoolwork now, and she's having a great time.
Good. So she's having an educational experience, which is important. Is she going to write a report or something for school?
Yeah, she'll figure something out. And we want to make a photocopy of this and bring it back.
Oh, I can print out. I see, with the names on it.
Yeah.
Yes, of course. Would you like me to print out another one in color that you can take?
Sure.
Because the photocopy is going to be black and white.
Okay. That'd be awesome.
That's
Great to meet you.
red,
Great.
yellow,
This one. Oh, I see the yellow here. Okay. Yellow-headed. Yellow-headed what?
Blackbird.
Hopper?
Blackbird.
Blackbird, okay. And that's from Framingham, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
All the way down here, that giant red bird.
Yes.
That is called an ibis. B. It's for Brazil.
Just that's it. It was like that's
It's nothing else. Ibis.
IBIS. Yes.
Let me see. Which other one do I know? Oh, that one is called
The yellow one.
yeah, with the black.
But then that's
Yes. Okay. What's his name?
the next group is
Black
like,
winged canary. F.
and it's not. Yes. It's an exposure.
Okay.
See that guy right there? Yeah, that guy.
I'm gonna put him over.
That guy is
Where's the new thing? Where's the new thing?
black
Close to
billed
the edge.
gator.
Thought it was up on it. I wanted to see the new edition.
And is that's Brazil?
Oh, but, look at the ones in the scroll. See, oh, that's nice.
Now it's starting to get a little bit hard.
What is this one? Is it just a blue chocolate?
Yeah, that's just a blue jay. Look at it.
Oh, that's the last week one. Was like chocolate. As you speak, this little dress.
No, we did that.
Oh, we did. Oh, okay. All right.
The other group,
Okay.
there were two eyes headed in the same direction.
And you had all 3 hummingbirds?
Not all 3. I think that guy is a sparkle throated hummingbird. Let me show you. Let me show you.
Blue one.
It's this one.
Yes. Okay. Sparkle throated hummingbird. And that's Brazil. Okay. And is there another hummingbird?
Well, this one, right?
With
A mini hummingbird. We didn't get that one. Right there. That one. Right there, yeah. It's called a red-crested blackbird.
That's a color copy you can take with you when you go home, all right? Thank you.
And is that from Framingham? Okay.
Any more down here?
We haven't even started down here.
Let's see.
Well, this one's a regular hummingbird, right? That's what you said before?
Just a hummingbird.
Do we have that one labeled?
I don't think so.
Okay.
It's this one right there.
Let me see. Oh, I know one that's really easy to find. That big guy right there. Okay, it's easy.
Is this hummingbird from Framingham?
Yes.
This one is Framingham? Okay. Oh,
That
this
big
one?
guy?
Yeah, this
You can
one.
see him easy.
Yeah. And that's what?
Bird of Paradise. That's the most easiest one I can remember. Oh, I know what that is.
And that's Brazil. Right?
Yeah, I would have remembered seeing that in Framingham.
Yeah.
Alright. You can't see that guy too well, but I know that that's a crow. It's a guy.
I thought you did a crow over. Oh, this one? No.
Way in the back,
There, right
behind
in
the
back.
bird of paradise. I see.
Come on.
Yeah. So it's like there, right? This is the bird. No, that's the shadow of the bird of paradise. So it's got to be right there, but there's something in front of it. The tree's in front of it. You can't see it.
Wait, I know how to find it. There you are.